Vivid, the smart bag. Every creative picture brings with us a realization that something must change. Today we are here to present a powerful, real, and bag. Every single day, millions of students are carrying cluttered and disorganized school bags. They face constant challenges, the stress of losing essential items, the frustration of forgotten homework, and the physical strain of unnecessary weight. And beyond these physical problems lies something deeper, the lack of security, efficiency, and peace of mind. In a world that's getting smarter and smarter, so why should students' bag remain the same? It's a time to reimagine how students learn, organize, and stay safe every single day. That's why we created the Smart Bag, a modern multifunctional school that merges innovation, intelligence, and safety. Here's what makes it extraordinary. GPS tracker that tracks student location, biometric anti-theft log that assessed by students' fingerprint, built-in power bank. Always charged, always ready. Emergency button. One press, immediate alert. Because seconds can save lives. Intelligent reminder chip. The brain of the bag. LED light, so darkness never slows you down. Let's see how it's works. Now here is Sanskriti packing her bag. But wait, the smart chip reminds her to pack her maths book. Oh no, Sanskriti, you forgot your maths book to pack. Pack it. No. Oh no, thank you, Smart Bag. Not if any book is missing. Also, if any is touching our bag. And the biometric lock guarantees that only the rightful student is touching our bag. It is safe, it is secure, and it is smart. Our target market focused on the students from class 6 to 12. Our cost of production will be rupees 800 per bag. Our selling price will be rupees 1200 per bag. That's not a healthy profit margin. That's a value redefined. Our customers, students who want to be efficient, parents who demand safety, and schools that want more learning environment. In short, it's not just a bag, a movement towards intelligent education. Our long-term business to establish the smart bag in the industry's vision. Next, we will connect it to a dedicated mobile app, empowering parents and students with real-time updates, homework reminders, and smart scheduling. We will build strategic partnerships with schools, ensuring that every student carries a smart bag. We are not just creating a product, we are shaping the future of learning. Shucks, we are seeking for rupees 1 lakh for 10% equity in our company, valuing smart bags at rupees 10 lakh. With your investment, we will expand production, AI Smart Chip. Together, the million of students learn and stay safe. You are not just funding a product, you are empowering a smarter, safer generation. Our taglines. Carry smart, succeed smarter. Intelligent design for intelligent minds. Smart bags, smarter you. Where innovation meets the smart way to learn. Sharks. Every single day, the smart bag solves 2 universal parent concerns. Is my child safe? And is my child prepared for the day? With smart bag, the answer is always yes. With high margin, high impact, our schools are very good. You have seen our project, you have seen our plan. So Sharks, are you ready to invest the smart bag in the future? future? Where technology, education we deliver. Thank you, Shah, for your valuable time and attention. Everyone.
Question.
Now it's time for question.
Better grab one mic for yourself from the team. Okay, dear team, smart bags. What are your features? What are can you brief all the features of this bag in brief?
Sir, in this we have GPS tracker that tracks student location, anti-theft lock that no one can touch the bag, and solar power bank. If any necessary item has done with students, they can call or they can assist to their parents.
These three features are there only. Anything else?
Sir, emergency panic button. If anything happens with children, if anyone has kidnapped or some other things, they can also, this SS can go to the parents.
So kidnapper can do one thing that he or she first remove the bag from the student and will throw it away, and after that he will kidnap the student. So how this bag will help in preventing the kidnapping?
Sir, when the kidnapper will, if kidnapper will catch the student and throw the bag, first the student, then when the student is kidnapped, then student can one click, and the access to their parents and the police has been done, and like many students in 12th, 11th, they are having phones.
How it will be connected to the parents? What do you think that how it is connected to the parents? It is based on distance. Suppose student is located in a school which is almost 10 kilometers apart from the home, and the parents are sitting in the home. So it will be workable.
Yes, sir, workable.
And what is the process to connect this module to the parents?
Sir, there will be an app, dedicated app. So we will connect these things to that app. Like no one can touch our bag, no one can do it, no one can throw it and remove it, anything from it. No one can take anything from without our permission. It is safe, it is secure, and it is
And
smart.
where it is panic button located? Can you show me that location of the button?
Sir, it will be located here or here. One click and every one click and then seconds, the parents and the police, they will message the students as kidnapped, so they can come.
Right. And what is your class standard, Bina?
Sir, we are from class 6.
Class 6. That's good. All the best.